Number 40, the angle of depression from the top of a sheer cliff to point A on the ground is 65 degrees. Point A is 120 feet. How tall is the cliff? Okay. Angle of elevation depression problem. We know that the angle of depression and the angle of elevation are the same, so we're going to move 65 down there. Now we've got a regular trigonometry problem. Circle our angle, label our sides. This is opposite, so we'll make O over there. This is adjacent, A. We're going to use tangent. Tan 65 equals opposite, which is x, we don't know it, over adjacent, which is 120. Get x by itself, we're just going to multiply both sides by 120. So 120 tan 65, 257.3, so x equals 257.3, and that's feet. Alright, number 41, find the area of the shaded sector. This is underlined and highlighted, so we know that we're going to use that. Area of a sector, we have to use that formula. A equals little a over 360. This time, instead of the circumference, we're going to use the area, pi r squared, and fill in the information that we know. Well, we're looking for the shaded sector here, and we're given 50 for this. We know these are going to add up to 180, so we can do that in our heads, I think, and that'll be 130 for the angle measure that we need. So A equals 130 over 360 pi, and this time we've got 6 for the radius squared. Calculator, 130 divided by 360 pi 6 squared, 40.8. So the area equals 40.8 square centimeters. That's 41. 42. We're asked to find the surface area of a rectangular prism with a length of 6 inches, width of 4, and height of 8. Okay, surface area of a rectangular prism. Surface area equals 2 LW plus 2 LH plus 2 WH. So surface area equals 2, what do we say? Length was 6 times 4 plus 2, length is 6 times 8 plus 2, width is 4 times 8. You plug all that into your calculator. Surface area equals, that's 48 plus 96 plus 64. Surface area equals 208 square inches. 43. Find the surface area to the nearest tenth of a cylinder with a diameter of 6 feet and a height of 8. Okay, so surface area of a cylinder, 2 pi r h plus r. Surface area equals 2 pi r h plus r. Problem here is that we're asked for the radius and we're given a diameter. Not a big problem. Diameter is 6, the radius would equal 3. So now surface area equals 2 pi, 3, h is 8 plus 3. And we're nearest tenth, so we're going to put pi in our calculator. So 2 pi 3 parentheses 8 plus 3 close parentheses equals 207.3. So surface area is 207.3 feet squared. 44. Find the surface area of a square pyramid with a slant height of 8, a width of 12, and a length of 12. Okay, surface area of a square pyramid. The lateral area plus the area of the base. Okay, so we need to find the lateral area, which equals 1/2 L times P. and the base, which is going to be the sides. Since it's a square, it would just be 12 times 12, which equals 144. Still need to find lateral area. L we're given up here, so L equals 8. Perimeter is going to equal the distance around pyramid. It's a square pyramid, each length is 12, so perimeter would be 4 times 12, which is 48. So we're going up here, plug this in. Lateral area is 1/2 8 times 48, which equals 192. So going back over here, surface area equals the lateral area, which is 192, plus the area of the base, which is 48. Surface area equals 240 centimeters squared. Number 45. Cone has a radius of 16 inches long and a slant height 24. Find the surface area to the nearest tenth. So surface area of a cone is pi r L plus r. Pi r L plus r. We have all that information, so we just need to plug it in. Surface area equals pi. Radius is 16. Slant height, which is L, is 24 plus 16. Plug all that right into our calculator. Pi 16 parentheses 24 plus 16 close parentheses 2010.6. So surface area equals 2010.6 inches squared. Okay, sphere has a diameter 28 centimeters long. Find the surface area to the nearest tenth. So surface area of a sphere, 4 pi r squared. Again, we're given the diameter, so we have to cut that in half. So radius would equal 14 in this case. So surface area equals 4 pi 14 squared. 4 pi 14 squared, 2463.008. So surface area equals 2463.0. Remember, if it says nearest tenth, we want to see that tenth there, and that's centimeters squared. 47. Find the lateral area of a cylinder. So lateral area, which equals 2 pi RH, 2 pi RH. And let's see, we've got the height and we've got the radius, so we're good. Lateral area equals 2 pi 6 times 14. So 2 pi 6 times 14. 527.8. So lateral area equals 527.8 inches squared. 48. Volume of a cone is 250 pi cubic centimeters. The radius is 8 centimeters. Find the height. Okay. So we're going to need the volume formula. The volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r squared h. 1/3 pi r squared h. We want to find the height, so we're going to have to plug in everything else that we have. We've got volume was 256 pi equals 1/3 pi. Radius is 8, so we'll put 8 squared, and we'll leave h there because we don't know what it is. First thing I want to do, let's cancel out the pi's. Let's get rid of this fraction. We're going to multiply both sides by 3. That'll cancel that one out. So 256 times 3 is 768 equals 64h. That canceled out. Divide both sides by 64. 768 divided by 64 equals 12. 12 equals the height. And 49. Golf ball has 4.6 centimeter diameter, and a tennis ball has a 12 centimeter diameter. Find the difference between their volumes to the nearest 10. So we need volume of the sphere. 4/3 pi r cubed is 4/3 pi r cubed. Again, we need radius. We're given diameter, so we're going to make this 2.3 equals r. Tennis ball is going to be 6 equals r. So the volume equals 4/3 pi 2.3 squared on this side, and volume equals 4/3 pi 6 squared. That's cubed, both sides. Three-dimensional. Okay, so I like to put fractions in parentheses. Times pi times 2.3 squared is 22 point. Let's leave that at 22.16 for now. On the other side, we're going to do 4/3 pi 6 cubed. 904 point equals 904.78. So 904.78 minus 2.16 equals 882.62. So the difference equals 882.62. Number 50. Square pyramid has a height that is 6 centimeters long and a base with sides that are each 12 centimeters long. Find the volume. Okay, volume of a square pyramid. 1/3 base times height. 1/3 area of the base times height. Let's see, we're given the height. We're given the sides of the base. We know what the base would be. Base would just be the sides multiplied by each other. Let's write that down. 12 times 12, which equals 144. We're given the height. So volume equals 1/3, 144 times 6. So 1/3, 144 times 6. 288. Volume equals 288 centimeters. This time it's cubed. And that is your 2010-2011 final exam review. Good luck.